This video only needs to use the interactive action in the right options column. It can be easily completed. First we are on screen 2, make all its components invisible. After that insert a container. Drag this container to the global. Click on this container to resize and reposition it. Cancel its background color. In this container we insert a container. Modify the container size. Cancel the background color of the container. Insert another container. Resize the container. Click this container again for unviewable. Insert another image. Select the image to insert. Resize the picture again. Adjusting the position of the container. Add a white background color. After that, select this image. Let's add a shadow to it. Select the blur. Select a color again. Add the blur parameter. Then click on this container. We add a rounded corner to it. Cancel the association. We then select the external container. We also add a shadow to it. Choose the color of the shadow. Then we insert another container. We'll add a white color to this container. Then we insert a text box. Type the text. Adjust the font size. And then select center. Then we'll add another text box. First enter the text you want to type. Enter the font size. Add 70% opacity. Click on Center. Then add another text box. Enter the text. Select a font size. Click on this and we'll add another container. Add a shadow. Insert another blue color. Insert a gradient color. Select color. In this container we insert a text box. Type the text. Select the appropriate font size. Adjust the font color. Then select this container again. Click to add a status. Click Activate. Make it invisible. Click on this container. Add an interaction. Select the state change. Select the object. Select the state. This completes it. Today we bring you the 8th part of the application build. The build is a time zone setting success prompt bar. Thanks for watching. See you next time.